31 far left anti-fascist techno anarchist shit poster to rural movement. Guys, it's just that, chat, we see these guys everywhere. Even I have my own accounts with these people. Is that this person thinks that somebody needs or is required to have their welcome or their approval to be part of something because they think that the person doesn't belong somewhere. You're nobody. You're a loser. You're not going anywhere. You don't get to gatekeep people because you played a video game. You're a 31-year-old furry.